Want to turn your photos into a dreamy, cinematic AI snow style just like the latest TikTok trend? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create the viral AI snow look using AI. Fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. And the best part? No prompt needed. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, you'll need the powerful AI tool, Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, click the link in the description to download it. Step 2. Generate AI snow style photo. Click AI image, and in the image effects section, you'll easily find the AI snow effects. There are plenty of options: male and female styles, 2-panel and 3-panel layouts, umbrella poses, Arctic fur coats, and more. Lots for you to try out. For this video, I'm selecting the 3-panel winter portrait with umbrella. You'll notice the prompt is automatically generated for you. Next, upload your photo, set the aspect ratio and output quantity, and hit generate. And there you go, the image is created. Pretty cool effect. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more AI editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.